if you're experiencing crashing issues with your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check for system updates. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, and then choose Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Step 2. Power cycle the console. Turn off your Xbox Series X completely by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Unplug the power cord from the back of the console and wait for 10 seconds. Plug it back in and turn on the console. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, power cycle your console as described in Step 2. This helps remove temporary files that may be causing crashes. Step 4. Check for game updates. Ensure that the games you are playing are up to date. Highlight the game on the home screen, press the menu button, and select Manage Game and Add-ons. From there, check for updates and install any that are available. Step 5. Reinstall problematic games. If specific games continue to crash, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling them. Go to My Games and Apps, highlight the game, press the menu button, and select Uninstall. After uninstalling, reinstall the game from your library. If the issue persists after following these steps, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.